Welcome to Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, just click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers. For breaking news, please visit www.ngobo2010shopi.com. This is Ngobo 2010 Shop I channel. We are here at FNB Stadium. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Orlando Pirates 2. My brother, how's it?
I'm good. Yourself, my friend?
Good, man. Your game your take on the game?
My game was good. I don't blame any technical team there.
Yeah.
I want to say the words. I want to actually repeat the words of Max Maponyane Gomengo. He said he has only one sentence. If we've got a bus that's bad, you need to service it. Don't ever chase away the driver. You can change all the best drivers, but if the service of the bus it's poor, change the components of the bus, then the driver will be good. I'm a best driver myself, you as well. But if I can give you equal for some lodi, to say I'm 11 years in a service, class again. Obviously you're a bad driver. But if they give you a good service car, so by so saying, I'm actually saying my coach, I beg to differ with that other guy who just spoke now. When he says, our coach is bad, what. No, I think my coach is not bad. He just needs those quality players inside the field. You can bring Pep Guardiola, you can bring whoever, the greatest coaches in the world to come and coach Chiefs. But with the same players, my friend, I'm telling you, we're not going to win that thing. Like even yourself now, you're making the interview, you're using quality. Quality, camera quality. Don't laugh, it's true. But if you're using bad quality things, then your videos are going to come out blurry. Then you're not good.
The audio also,
Thank you very much. But if we give you quality things, then you're also not the best interviewer as all.
Beautiful. So are you saying it's only the players? They need just to buy the players?
And another thing, you remember in Polokwane when we spoke in the interview, I spoke about psychology, mentality of the players. They already, I saw them on the last game that we lost. When they won against Mamelodi Sundowns, all their mentality is on the finals. Then they forgot that we were playing that team and we were playing Pirate again. So they were like, it's here finally, we must break the drought. The drought of 11 years without a cup. Everyone is going to be a tense moment for you. So when you get there, their legs, you avoid getting injured, you avoid cards. That's what you want to avoid when you're going to play the finals. So I'm going to tell you, my friend, my players need some also that mentality. The psychological effect, it needs to dwell into them. But I trust my players. We're going to Moses Mabida. That guy says, we were supposed to win. Rather be out of the Telkom, top 8, but win the silverware.
Beautiful.
Imagine you being in the top 8, losing the first game of the top 8, but you lost the silverware.
And remember, when you're on the top 8, you're number 8, you're playing Sundowns, they put you out.
Obviously, because one goes to 8.
Exactly. Thanks for brother. Yeah.
我们是上主里是上上，哭出来要少舒服呀，帮助我。Come on, little low pinch ya， 我们是上主里是啊。
Thank you so much, brother. For breaking news, please visit www.ngobo2010shopi.com.